Hey everyone, welcome back. Hand waving today we're checking out the Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender. A simple and powerful way to eliminate dead zones and expand your Wi-Fi coverage. If you've been struggling with weak signals in certain rooms, this might be the upgrade your home needs. The eero 6 Extender adds up to 1,500 square feet of extra Wi-Fi 6 coverage to your existing eero network. Whether it's your upstairs bedroom, garage, or even backyard, this little device makes sure you stay connected everywhere in your home. Because it supports Wi-Fi 6, you'll get faster, more reliable connections with reduced congestion. That means smooth streaming, faster downloads, and lag-free gaming, even when multiple devices are online at the same time. Setting it up is super easy. Just plug it in, open the eero app, and follow the steps. No complicated process, no technical headaches. Plus, it works seamlessly with any existing eero mesh Wi-Fi network, so you can expand as much as you need. The extender is small, sleek, and discreet, blending into any room without taking up much space. You can move it around to wherever you need coverage most, no wires, no fuss. So overall, the Amazon eero 6 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender is a fantastic solution if you're tired of dead zones, weak signals, or unreliable internet. It's compact, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more reviews. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless Wi-Fi with eero.